Okay, so for the next sequence here, we're going to put some fingerprints on the adhesive side of these shipping labels. So I'll just deposit a few prints on here for now, and just set that aside for 1 second here. See if I've got a clean glove in my pocket here that I can use. Now this particular chemistry that we're going to use this time is called Gentian violet. So it's a very deep violet purple color, and we're going to use this to hopefully develop prints on the adhesive side. So it's going to react with the lipids in the print, and hopefully develop some prints on the adhesive side. We're simply going to take some of the Gentian violet liquid formula and put it into a dish here. So I'll just pour some in. It's a very deep purple color. Almost looks black. Not sure whether you can see it from the angle. I'll kind of tilt it so you can see the deep colored purple there, where it's not quite as deep the color. And so we're going to take our sample here. Hopefully this doesn't stick to my gloves here. And the adhesive side of the shipping label, we're just going to submerge it into the tray here and kind of agitate it a little bit and try to get the chemistry to absorb into where the latent prints are. And again, I'm not sure whether you can see that. Hopefully you can. So let that sit in there for several seconds, and then we're going to take it out and rinse it off. So I usually leave it in there for approximately 30 seconds or so to make sure that it's got good contact. You can see in this case here, our label is actually starting to curl up here. It's rolled up. And so now we'll just use our distilled water to rinse off the excess here. So start with the outside, and I'll see if I can get some on the inside here as well. So same kind of principle. We're hoping that the prints are still visible after we apply the distilled water to rinse off the Gentian violet. Just hold this to drip here for a moment here, and we can have a look to see what kind of results that we have. Now, it's difficult to see the prints, but as it starts to dry, you can see that the prints are getting more defined as the water evaporates. The prints are visible there as well. Now, the research that's been done on the Gentian violet suggests that this will fluoresce under an alternate light source, but I've had very little or no success in doing so. I basically go on the premise that the color purple of the prints that appears is pretty much what you can expect to get as your final result.